I've got this old JX50 Milan VMOTO brand, and I'm fixing it up for a mate. The hadn't been run for a very long time, and it wouldn't idle. I couldn't tune it, so I decided to take the carburettor out, and so I had to strip all the plastics off and take the floor off, and eventually I could see what the carby was held in by and all that, and I just started stripping bits apart, and I pulled it out, and so I checked out the inlet little rubber thing just to make sure it's not split. That was okay, and put the carby on the bench and gave it a little bit of a clean before I started stripping it down. And then on the inside, taking the bowl off, as you can see, there's all this corrosion and scale and crap all built up around the jets especially. So straight away I thought, yeah, that's definitely what's causing it. So I pulled the jets out and I put it in this little gizmo. That's one of those ultrasonic cleaners that my wife uses for her jewellery. And put it all back together again, and she's running sweet. You can see this bike has only done 205 kilometres in probably 15 years. So that's about it. I hope you got something out of this, and we'll look forward to doing the next one. Cheerio.